Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths class 5th standard, children. Today we are going to start with question number 4. Up to third I explained you. I hope you have completed. It was left third and fourth part of question number 1. I hope you have completed that part also because it was based on the first and second part of the first question. Now I am going to switch on question number 4. Example they have done for you, and I am going to start. I will discuss example also. Here you have seen in example what they have drawn. One box is divided into four parts and they have drawn one shaded circle in the square and without shading. And first it is here, you see, then it is moved this side. Now this one again, the first and second figure is repeated. Okay, same way the repetition you have observed in the example, you have to do in the same the given box. First one you have seen they have drawn like that in the arrows upward downward, and then in the triangle arrows only the direction of arrows are going to move, as here the circles have gone move. Now here the arrows are pointing left and right, not up and down. Okay, here up and down, then again this figure will come in. Okay, the second figure I am not drawing, I am just writing. This is first and two, and in third, first one repeated, in fourth you will draw second same as it is. Okay, and here you see in square there is one triangle drawn, and here in triangle one square is drawn, and here then again in square one triangle is drawn. So same figure will be drawn. In triangle one square will be drawn. Same way children, you have to do first and third you have seen, and then it will be same. This one will be done over here. As these two are same, so these two will be same. That means second and fourth will be same way in the question number uh, part number 5 of question this one. Now I am going to start question number 5, children. Here I have tried to solve for you. Look at the pattern and state which pattern will come in the empty space from the given option. Okay, here you have seen that the just chocolate like this is drawn, and here in the first figure, and here it is, this wrapper is going to directing towards this corner, then here just here. So now it has to direct this corner. Okay, so which figure will be there? A option will come. This is 1/4 turn they have tried to show, and here you see this arrow downward where move directing. Okay, opposite arrow in opposite direction, it is this direction. Okay, what is this direction? We can say west, and here also it is west, and here this arrow is east. So when it will come down, then again it will face to east. That means this will come. Okay, this option will be the correct one. And same way children, in third, okay, L will first I have drawn over here, I solve for you. This part is, you see how it is moving, not this one. You see this is movement, this part is moving first here. Okay, then it comes to where? It comes to downward, then first here, then downward. You see here it is facing this side. Okay, then it is facing this side. Now in the next it will face this side, so this figure will be the next one. B option will be the next figure. Same way children, you can do this figure also on the basis of this movement. You can, I hope you can understand. It is showing the 1/4 turn. In fifth question we have just selected the option, correct option. Here we have to draw the 1/4 turn option. Okay, we have to find out how many turns it is going to take, and here the that dot like structure is facing this. In the second figure this is this, and in third it is facing. Now in the fourth box it will come to here. Okay, and in next box it will come here, then in next box it will come here. Same way it will be continued children. You see this is 1/4 turn, it is called 1/4 turn. And here where it is upward, then 1/4 move, then 1/4 move, then it will move downward children. In the next it will come here, then it will go this direction, then in another it will go this direction, again it will be repeated same way. I hope you understood what I am telling you. You have to draw the 1/4 turn. Okay, same way here all the figures you have to draw 1/4 roughly I have shown. Okay, you can draw properly with the help of scale. This is 1/4. Okay, same way children you can do in the next figure also. Now you see this is upward, this is 1/4, this is 1/4. Now it will come downward. Okay, now afterward it will move here, then it will move first one same. Okay, I hope you understood. So the pattern will be extended in same manner, and here everywhere the 1/4 they have drawn, so you will complete yourself children all the question number 6 and even the question number 7 also. You will extend the pattern in the same way. I am showing you one for you, and then the remaining pattern. Here you see this side, okay, where it is moving upward children, and then this is 1/4 turn, another 1/4. So here it will come here, then again this will come here, then the same figure will go on repeating. Okay, so I hope you understood the 1/4 turn and the half turn. You have to decide and you will complete. So the question number 6 and 7 you will